Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. So what we learn today? Today we learn about animals in this lecture. So let's start our lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubasira Miss from Mahdi School. And today we continue lesson number 6, food and shelter of animals, right? And we continue our topic shelter of animals. So in this lesson we learn about food of animals and shelter of animals. We learn that which animal live where and what they eat. So today we learn something new about animals, right? So let's start our today's topic with one beautiful line, that worrying does not take away tomorrow's troubles. It take away today's peace. So if you worried about something, so this thing not take out your tomorrow's troubles, right? So we don't have to worry anything and we have to trust on our work. So it takes away today's peace. So let's start our today's lecture. So which lesson we continue? What is the number of this lesson? Yes, lesson number 6. What is the name of this lesson? Food and shelter of animals. So in this lesson what we learn? We learn about food of human beings, right? Yes or no? No, we learn about food of animals. So in this lesson we learn about food like seeds and plants and flesh which animals eat, and we also learn the home of animals, that food and shelter of animals. So different types of animals live in different types of home and eat different types of food. So every animal is different from each other, right? So it is food and shelter of animals. So what we learn today? Today we learn about home of animals which we make, right? So now you think that now which animals home we are making and what we called it, right? So today we learn about this, that some animals we kept with us and which animals are they and how they are living with us, right? So let's start. But before we start our today's topic, first we need to revise. What we revise? Yes, we revise what we learned in previous lecture, right? So anyone remember what we learned in previous lecture? We learn about animals, right? And we learn about shelter of animals or house of animals, that which animal live where. So let's revise what we learned yesterday. Yesterday we learned that animals that make shelter. So some animals live in open forest when some animals live in home. So these home are created by nature also and created by an animal also. So we learn about all these things, right? So yesterday we learned that animals make their home. Which home animals make? We already learned about all this: burrow, beehive, web and nest. These 4 home of animals which animals make. These homes are not natural because an animal make this. Like burrow is underground home of animal which rabbit and fox are living and they make this, right? Then beehive, honeybees are living inside beehive and bee are also making their own home. Then web, And which animal spin web? Yes, spider. So some animals make their own home. So spider make their home with spinning web, and they living inside, and they catch their food in web. So yesterday we learned about nest. Which animals are living in nest? Tiger living in nest, right? And lion also living, right? No, these both are living in cave. So who live in nest? Birds. We learn about birds. Birds are also animal, right? Animal with 2 legs and 2 wings. So in previous lecture we learn about nest, which is a home of bird, and birds are create their own home. So let's go what we learn about nest. That what is nest? So what is nest? Here we see the picture of nest. Where is nest? I circle the nest. This is nest which created by bird. They are living safely inside it. So we learn about nest yesterday, right? So what we learn about nest? That which animals live in nest? Remember we learn about this, that birds are living in nest. So we see the picture of nest and 2 birds which are making their nest. So where is nest? Here is nest. The arrow you can see, right? And the birds. So who are living in nest? We learned yesterday that birds are living in nest in their own home, right? So what we learn about nest first? That bird make nest. What they use to make nest? Straw. The cold drink straw. Is that cold drink straw? Yes or no? No. The straw of birds are different from us, right? Then they use twigs, leaf and cotton. So these 4 things mostly birds are used to make their nest, but some birds are making their nest with mud also. So birds are also use mud to make their nest, right? So we learn that about straw, that what is straw? It is not straw which we use to drink cold drink or coconut drink, right? It is a straw which is a dry grass. So they use it to making their home. So we learn about straw yesterday, that birds are used to make their nest, and nest is a home of bird which they make to live. Then we learn about twigs. We see the picture of twigs, right? And these all are dry twigs. Means it is the branches of the tree which fell down, and birds are collect these twigs and make their home. So these are twigs. These are the things which bird use to make their nest. Then birds use dry leaf also, and some birds are use green leaf also. So now you can understand that birds use straw, twigs, leaf and many other things to make their home. And cotton, so like we all are sleeping on bed, so that bed is made up of cotton, right? So birds are also use this, but they take out from cotton plant, not going in shop and buy it, right? So it is a cotton which birds use in making nest. Here you can see one bird is taking twigs from the land and make their home, right? So they are collect all these things and make their nest. Then we see the picture of nest yesterday, right? So what we learn about nest? that birds make nest to lay eggs, raise their chicks and live in safely. So now you can understand that why birds are live in nest, because they lay eggs. From these eggs their babies come out and they raise them, and when they learn fly they can fly in sky. Till then they are living in nest only. They are living safely in nest. We see the picture of birds which are living safely in nest, right? You can see here eggs also, babies also which are growing. So small babies are growing in nest. And you can see here that mother bird is coming and giving food to the babies. So now you can understand that it is a nest of mud. So they are making nest of mud, straw and twigs and many other things. You can see here that again bird is feeding their child. Then we learn that where birds make nest, on tree, our houses, on ground also, and empty boxes also. So we see all these things yesterday. On tree, bird nest, you can see here, hanging nest, in houses also, in box. So small birds like sparrow and many other are making their nest in boxes, in empty boxes which are we throw. So in our house also they can make nest and live safely, right? So which birds are making nest? Birds and their nest. We see the picture of crow, which is collecting twigs and straws and all these things and making their nest. You can see here how they are collecting, right? Then here they put their babies inside nest and eggs also. Then sparrow, how they are raising their babies. These all are birds which are making their own nest. And here is a weaver bird, which is a bird who make nest, and very beautiful nest, and it make their bird very carefully, right? And how they are living, you can. So it's look like window of our house, and you can understand that someone is standing in window. So it is one of the beautiful nest of the world also. So it is weaver bird. We called it tailor bird also because of creativity of their nest. That's why we called it tailor bird, right? So now you can understand that which birds are making nest and how they are living inside this nest, right? So what we learned today, our today's topic is home of an animal we make. So as we know that all animals are living in forest, but some animals are living with us also as pet, right? So animals and their home. So some animals we kept with us. Now which animals we kept with us? Some animals like cow and goat and many other we keep with us, right? So and we make home for them because they are not living with us in our house or in our room. So how we kept them with us in our house. So today we learn about animals which are living with us also, they help us also, and how we kept them at our home. So let's go learn that pet animals. So which animals we kept with us? Animals we keep with us, we called it pet animals, right? So we cannot call tiger and lion pet animals. Why? Because they are not living with us. They are living in forest. They are dangerous also. So some animals which help us and stay with us, we called it pet animals also, right? So animals which we keep with us, we called them pet animals. So let's learn about some pet animals. Like cow, as we know that we can see roaming cow around us. Cow gives us milk. So you can understand that cow kept with human beings. So imagine you see cow with anyone in their house. They not take cow in their house, right? So they are making home of cow outside of the house. Why? Because cow need different types of house, not like us. Cow not sleep on bed, not drink water in glass like us, right? So that's why they are making different type of home for animals. Then goat, you all know about goat. We give them food. Then dog, it is honest animal. Dog is. Then cat also we kept at home. Then horse, fish and hen. These are some animals which we kept at our home. Other animals are also we can keep, like buffalo and small birds, Australian parrots and many things. So we make their home also, right? So these all are animals which living with us. They are pet animals, right? So let's learn about some pet animals and how we kept them in our home. So let's go. Sit in train, we are going, right? Something learn new about animals. Now when we kept animal at our home, we need to give them food, give them water and take care of them. Why? Because they cannot live atmosphere like us. We have to give them home. They are not living in. If we are sleeping in our home and we are sleeping in our room, so cow cannot sleep in our home, right? Because they need different types of atmosphere. They don't need bed to sleep. They not eat in plate. So that's why we make their home. They not live in our room, right? So what we do? Let's check out that how we make their home, because we already know that we kept animal with us, right? So first, which animal it is? You can read now. What is spelling of cow? C-O-W, cow. So we learn about cow. Now where we are going? We are going to learn about cow. So let's go. What is this? It is a picture of cow. We already learn about this, that cow is big animal, cow eat plant. And now today we learn that where cow live in. Mostly we can see in our city cows on road, but they are living in specific place. So today we learn that in which place cow live and what we called this place. So we make cow home. Where cow live in? Let's see. Yes, it is shed. So cow live in shed which we make. So now you can understand now that different types of home. Some animals make their own home and some animals live with us and we make their home. So we make home of cow, we called it shed. So now let's go to learn about shed, cow's animal. Right, here you can see what is this? It is a picture of shed. Now you can understand. There is no bed. There is no pot of water. Right? There is no gas stove. So they are living differently from us. You can see here how they are eating. It is a shed of cow. They need big place. Right? So you can understand that it is shed. Now this is a picture of village in which mostly people kept cow at their home, but they are making this type of house, right? So you can see that how we make their home. Mostly they are living under tree. You can see there, we tie them with tree with rope. So you can understand that how they are living. In rainy season we make ceiling on their home also, right? Because like us, they also need to save from rain. Then here you can see we have to provide them food and water. Why? Because we keep them with us. So that's why they cannot go out and roam and collect their food and water, right? So you can see here that how they are kept in shed. It is a place where cow are living. Now second animal, which animal it is? You can see here, what is this? It is horse. We learn about horse, right? So what we learn about horse? Horse also living in forest, in open forest, right? So when we not kept horse at home, horse are living in forest. But when we kept at our home, where they are living? So we make forest for them, right or wrong? Yes or no? We make forest for them. We can make forest? No. So now let's see where horse live in, because in our house we cannot make forest. Forest is a large place which covered with trees, right? So where horse live in? Let's see, what is this? Stable. Now you think, what is stable now? What is this? Stable. Now we need to learn about stable. So sit in train, we are going. What is this? It's look like house, right? You can see here, but it is not house, it is stable. It is stable of horse. So where horse are living? So you can understand that every horse live in different room, right? So this is the stable and they are living inside it. You can see it's look like our house, but it is a stable because they need big place to live, because we all know that they are living in forest, but we take them from forest and live here, right? Here you can see the picture of horse which is in stable. It look like again window, right? So they are living there and stay there. So now if you want to kept any animal at your home, you need to make home for them. So when you keep horse with you, you need to make stable for them. Here you can see some pictures of horses, right? So many people kept so many horses, and in their farm they kept them and make a stable for them, for their safety. They give them food and water. Here you can see they are drinking water. So now you can understand that where horse live when we kept them. Here you can see that how they are eating food. Then next animal we kept with us, we mostly see on road also. They bark on us, right? They can bite us also. So which animal it is? Yes, dog. D-O-G. D for dog. We learn about this, right? So what is this? Dog. So let's learn about dog. Here you can see the picture of dog. Now when we kept dog at our home, where we kept? Where dog live in? Dog live in road, right? We mostly see. But when we kept, so dog we kept in kennel, right? So you can see here the spelling of kennel. And let's go. Sit in train, we are going to learn kennel, home of dog. You can see here small house. It is a house of dog. When we see doll house, we can understand that doll is living in small house, but doll house is very small. It is big dog house, right? So we take this house and we put out of our house, and dog are living inside. Let's see some dogs we kept at our home. You can see here that we have to feed them and give them food. We have give them water also, right? So here you can see the picture of dog which is living in house. We called it kennel. It's look like prison or cage, but it is kennel. So some people take their dog and they protect them from other animals also and give them facilities. So here you can see the picture of house of dog. And some people are keep them with their home also. So they are making home of dog which we called kennel. Here you can see that how they are protect them. Different types of dog house. We called it dog house also, but we learned that this house we called kennel. So you can see here house like tunnel, and you can see there is a small house inside it, right? So you can understand that how dog we kept with us. So what we learn today? Today we learn about animals which are living with us. We kept them with us, but we make home for them. So we learn about cow which is living in shed. Then we learn about horse which is living in stable, and dog live in kennel. So these all are the places where animal can live, but we make this home for them. So some animals living in open forest also, some animals living on tree, some animal make their own home like birds and beehive and many other things. So these all things we learn in this lesson. So today we learn about animals which we kept with us as pet, and we give them their home, we make their home. So different types of animals live in different types of home. So tomorrow we continue this topic and we learn about fish and other animals which are kept with us, right? So till now, take care of yourself and stay healthy.